Get 20% cash back on all your bus and MRT rides. Ooh! Hey, what's up friends? So yes, this has been happening for a couple of months now, and this is currently the best deal in Singapore to get cash back on public transport. So I've been using Revolut to pay for my public transport services, and every month they'll be paying me $10 cash back for using their card to pay. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Gerald and I'm all about personal finance and investing, and if my video is good, do consider to smash the like button and consider subscribing. But before we begin, let's take some time to thank today's sponsor, and today's sponsor is you. It is the supporters of this channel that makes this video possible, because whenever a supporter uses my promo code, it gives them a stock voucher, free trades, and also it gives this channel a free stock voucher. So this stock voucher helps keep this channel going, and that is why you guys who are the supporters are the main sponsors of this video. To support this channel, use any one of the promo codes below, either for Tiger Brokers, for Coinbase, for Moomoo. Link will be in the description below. When it comes to cashback, it is always very important to read the terms carefully. So I did the trouble to summarize all the important points you need to take note when using this Revolut cashback for public transport. So the first thing you need to note is that this promotion consists of 6 different campaigns. So every month it's a single campaign, and it ends this year on December 2021. So the next very important thing that you need to note is point 6 number 2, which is bank top up of over $100 would yield you 20% cash back, but everything else would only yield you 2% cash back. Therefore, it is crucial that you top up at least $100 through bank transfer and not your credit card or debit card. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done in the later part of this video. The next thing you need to note is point 6.3, which is that the max amount of cash back, it's $10 each campaign, basically $10 each month. And for you to get $10, you need to spend a minimum of $50 in public transport, and given the lockdown, I think it's going to be quite hard to spend $50, but if you do, congrats, you're going to get the max cashback. And here's another very important point, which is point 7.2, and that is that the credits or cashback cannot be redeemed for cash. This makes me wonder, what happens if I try to withdraw it from all my account? Will it kind of stop me? So if I kind of use like the Revolut app, it does not clearly segregate like the cashback amounts versus my own amount. So let's try it. As you can see, I'm currently in my Revolut app and I have $291 in my account with quite a lot of cash back. So let's try to send the money to my bank account, right? Let's see, 291.05. No fees. Send Revolut. So it does work. So based on this, you can see that clearly you can withdraw your cash amount, even though there's explicitly stated that you cannot withdraw the amount. Free money, and I'm not complaining. Alright, so now let's go to the second part of the video, which is how to set it all up. So to sign up, it's really simple. All you need to do is use or visit Revolut website, and if you need, I have a referral code at the bottom. The first 5% to complete or use my referral code will get $15 cash, but they have quite a few lists of conditions. I'm going to just pop it up right here. If you don't use it, that's also fine by me. I didn't know that there was a promo going on, so I just happen to share this with you guys. So once you sign up for Revolut, download the app, and the first thing that you probably would face is a KYC check, or known as your Know Your Customer. So probably they'll need you to send some sort of identification like your IC, front and back, and I think that should be it. I'm not exactly sure how the opening process is like, because I've opened this account such a long time ago, so I'm just gonna imagine that you need to send your IC. But the more important thing to note is that your money is very safe, because they are licensed by MAS to basically manage our money. So when it comes to this app, there's 2 things that you need to know. The first is accounts. So you have accounts in different currencies, your Singapore dollar, US dollar, and yada yada yada. The next thing you need to note is there are cards. So you need to open or get a new physical card. All you need to do is head over to the cards tab and add card. So I think the first physical card is free. The subsequent physical cards will be chargeable. So personally, I like to use my cards for different purposes. For example, if I sign up for some sort of subscription, I like to use my virtual card so that I do not, if any event, I can basically just turn the card off and not worry about getting my money hacked or scammed in any way, because I can easily just cancel the virtual card. So in order for you to get a card, just add card, press debit card to get the physical card. So when the card comes, you need to activate it, and then it will show you that it's activated on the app. So in order for you to manage the card, just click on the card and you can basically freeze the card, change the pin, add the pin. This is especially important if you're using the card overseas. And by the way, Revolut has really good exchange rates if you're spending your money in Malaysia. when you can go back to Malaysia. So in order for you to top up money, all you need to do is head back to the homepage, press add money, and instead of using the card, because by default it uses your credit or debit card, so press change and change to your regular bank transfer. So when you click on regular bank transfer, they will tell you your account number. So don't use my account number unless you want to send money to me, and transfers are instantaneous. You know what, let me just show you how it's done. So for me, I've already added Revolut as a payee within my OCBC banking app. So I'm in the OCBC banking app, 20% cashback, $100, swipe to confirm. Confirm the transfer. When you see the fast transfer is in progress, head over to your Revolut app, and immediately you would see the money like pop up right away. There we go. That's how fast it is to fast transfer into your Revolut account. And here's a pro tip. Personally, I add Revolut card into my Google Pay, which allows me to tap with Google Pay and get Google Pay rewards and Revolut cashback reward. Of course, bearing in mind that if you want to use Google Pay for other transactions like shopping your groceries or paying for a meal with friends, then it would be advisable to switch back to your regular credit card where you get a little bit more cashback, because Revolut does not give cashback for other purchases other than public transport at this point in time. And that's how you use Revolut for 20% cashback on public transport. If it's helpful, be sure to share this with your friends who would appreciate a 20% discount off public transport. And here are some more deals for you. So if you want to get up to $3,000 in cashback in terms of stock vouchers, I made a video over here talking about the best deals that are available right now that I know of. Otherwise, you can check out what YouTube recommends you over here. And I'll see you next time. Take care, everyone.